In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring transactions. Whether you're looking to automate payments or invoices, this powerful feature can save you a significant amount of time and help keep your finances well organized. So, let's dive right in. The first step to create a new recurring transaction is by navigating to the gear icon. This icon is usually located at the top right corner of your screen and serves as a gateway to various settings and features within your application. By clicking on it, you open up a menu full of options. From this menu, we want to focus on recurring transactions. Go ahead and select that option. You'll now arrive at a page displaying any recurring transactions you may already have, along with options to manage them. Next, let's focus on creating a new recurring transaction where we have two main pathways, a recurring payment or a recurring invoice. Consider your specific needs. Are you setting up a recurring payment for a subscription you manage, or are you looking to issue invoices automatically to clients or customers? Choose accordingly. For simplicity's sake, let's set up a recurring invoice in this instance. Once you opt to create a new recurring transaction, you'll need to fill out the relevant details. This includes specifying who the transaction is for, the amount, and the frequency. Make sure you're precise with this information to avoid any hiccups later. Names, contact details, and any unique references will be necessary here. You'll also need to adjust the payment amount and ensure it's correctly reflecting what's agreed upon with the recipient. It's a good idea to double-check these details before proceeding, as accuracy is key to smooth recurring transactions. Now, it's time to set a schedule for your recurring transaction. The schedule you choose will depend on how often you want the payment or invoice to be sent. Options typically include daily, weekly, monthly, or even annually. Most people find monthly schedules to be particularly beneficial for recurring invoices, as they align with standard billing cycles. However, go with what best suits your specific needs or those of your business. Simply select your desired frequency from the available options and don't forget to confirm the start date for this schedule. This will be the date on which the first transaction will occur. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the details, it's time to save. With everything double-checked and confirmed, finding and clicking the Save button will complete the setup of your new recurring transaction. Then, your application begins managing these transactions automatically. Remember, automating these tasks is an excellent way for you to not only save time, but also improve accuracy and ensure consistency in financial management. If there are any adjustments or changes in the future, you can always revisit the recurring transaction settings to make the necessary updates. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.